Hi everyone! Today, a magical time machine is taking us straight into a fluffy cloud land, where a cute little sheep is getting ready for a colorful adventure. Let's draw this adorable friend together. Grab your paper and a black marker, and let's start sketching step by step. First, we're going to draw its cute, round face right in the center of the page. Next, let's give our sheep big sparkling eyes, tiny ears, and a sweet, happy smile. Now, let's create that super fluffy body by drawing bumpy, cloud-like lines all around its head. Don't worry if your lines aren't perfectly straight. Art is all about having fun and being creative. Once the main body is traced, we can add its cute little legs at the bottom so our sheep can stand up. Our black outline is coming together so beautifully and is almost ready for the most exciting part. Get your favorite bright coloring markers or liquid paints ready, because in just a moment, we are going to turn this into a magical, vibrant rainbow sheep.